On the 15th of September 2021, the Academy of a Private Investor will celebrate its 10th anniversary. During that time, we have trained thousands of private investors who now know how to invest smartly and multiply their funds many times over. We have created specialists in investment consulting who work in all sectors of the investment market and who already gained enormous experience. To commemorate this remarkable event, we are launching an absolutely new and progressive elite training program, Investment Consultant plus Professional Investor. Right now, the market needs 10 to 15 times more investment consultants. In 10 years, the market has become more multifaceted. Stock markets, forex, cryptocurrency markets, venture investments and real estate, IT and equity participation, futures, bonds, ETFs, and many other instruments are constantly becoming ever more complex. It is very difficult for a novice investor to get their head around all these notions, let alone learn to diversify and manage risks. This is why right now we are launching an innovative training program, which will help you become a better professional investor. You will learn not only to earn and preserve your money, but also to multiply your capital many times over. And those who want to become specialists in investing consultant are welcome to take the course Investment Consultant plus Category 1 Professional Investor. Join if you want to become a market leader, regain your footing after a bad experience, pay off your debts or leave your comfort zone, and to become a truly sought-after specialist, especially since you can join with any investing skill level. Investing is about continuous handling of risks, and before you start, you'd better get adequately prepared. Instead of learning by doing, we recommend you learn from those who are already doing it, so you don't lose a single invested dollar. After successfully completing the course and passing the exam, the graduates will be awarded official certificates of a professional investor and investment consultant from the Academy of a Private Investor in a festive atmosphere. The investment consultants who will achieve the established service delivery indicators will be awarded gold pins with 8 diamonds. Graduates can receive their awards on stage at the next official event of the Academy of a Private Investor to commemorate the beginning of their journey to success. To get full information about the training programs and prices available on the website of the Academy of a Private Investor, please follow the link in the description. You are just one decision away from becoming rich and prosperous.